Hey guys, here we are once again talking about some cool new toys from Toons. This one is called Tokyo Mater and it is for ages 3 and up. Seems to be a very cool toy. Let's see here. It does donut rings, it drifts around corners and lights up underneath. With a smile like this, who can resist, huh? So let's open this one. Let me show you inside. Let me show you the bottom. Very well protected. Well, it's really easy to remove from the box. You just have to be careful with a very specific cable right here. That's the one that you can play in the store. See, makes it work. So when you unbox it, you have to be careful removing this first. And then another one underneath the toy. And you're good to go. Well, let me get you some dimensions first. It's about 12 inches long and 5 inches high, and weighs about 1 pound 9 ounces. The box itself weighs 2 pounds 9 ounces. Just so you know, it says it requires one 9-volt battery and 6 AA batteries. The AA batteries are already in the toy, and the one 9-volts for the remote control is inside the box. It lights up underneath. This toy is really cool and really fast. Although it does not talk, it does a lot of other things, so it's really recommended. Your kid is gonna love this one, but he's gonna need a lot of space to play around.